Hello students, good morning and welcome to our math class. So today's class, we started one important chapter, that is statistics, and in that we are discussing about arithmetic mean. For arithmetic mean, it is also called average, it is also called mean. Very simple, sum of all the observations by number of observations. We take marks average, no? We add all 6 subjects marks and divide it by 6. That is nothing but we call it as average. We also call it as arithmetic mean or mean. So that is a rule. So I wrote the formula in 3 ways. One is sum of the observations by number of observations, or x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on xn by n, or sigma xi by n. 3 ways I gave the formula. But to find the arithmetic mean, there is another formula which is called deviation method or assumed mean method. So that formula also I gave, but we don't use that formula much. So unless if it is asked, suppose in the question itself, find the arithmetic mean using deviation method or using assumed mean method. If that condition is given, then only we use that formula. Otherwise, simple formula, we add all the numbers divided by number of numbers. That gives the simple method, easy to remember. But this formula is little difficult, and if it is mentioned in the question, then we have to use. There is no other option. We have to use that formula. So based on that formula, yesterday we started 9th question and we did it. But 9th question is in 2 parts. See, the data is, I am writing the data, given data. See here students. Already you wrote it. 4, 21, 13, 17, 5, 9, 10, 20, 19, 12, 20, 14. 4, 21, 13, 17, 5, 9, 10, 20, 19, 12, 20, 14. This is the data. The question is find the arithmetic mean using assumed mean. It is given. See the word. See the word. Assume mean. Assume a mean. Assumed mean method. So to find, actually the method is arithmetic mean. Suppose if conditions are not given, how to find the arithmetic mean for this? This plus this plus this plus this, we add all the numbers and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sum of all the numbers by 12, that gives the arithmetic mean. That we will get the answer. But the question is not by that ordinary method. Assume the mean method, assumed mean method. For that, what we do? First we have to assume the mean. That is denoted by A. Take any number as A. Any number. Any number as A. Any number as A. Don't get confused. What is A? A means any number you can take. 4, 21, 13. Any number you can take. I am taking for example say 20. Any number you can take. Let A is equal to 20. Any number you can take. Then mean is equal to arithmetic mean. Mean or arithmetic mean. The formula is sigma. This method. In this method, the formula is sigma xi minus A by n. This is the formula. This n is not for A. A is separate and this is separate. This is the mean. Students, what is A? Any number we can assume as A, which is called assumed mean. Any number from this only. I took 20. Any number you can take. 20 plus. Now subtract this 20 from each number. Xi means, suppose if I is 1, x1 minus A, sigma means plus. Plus, see here, 4 minus 20 plus 21 minus 20 plus 13 minus 20 plus 17 minus 20 plus 5 minus 20 plus 9 minus 20. Same. 10 minus 20. 20 minus 20. 19 minus 20. 12 minus 20. 20 minus 20. 14 minus 20. By how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 12. So 20 is same. Don't add with that. This 20 is separate. From here fraction starts. See students. 4 minus 20 is minus 16. 1 minus 16 plus 1, 13 minus 20. So minus 7 minus 16 plus 1 minus 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 15 minus 15 minus 11 minus 10 0 minus 1 minus 8 0 minus 6 by 12. Simplify. Minus 16 minus 7. Add all minus numbers first. All this plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So add all numbers, all minus only. 16 plus 7, 23 plus 3, 26 plus 15. 26 plus 15 is 41 plus 11, 52 plus 10, 62 plus 8. 70, 76 by 12. See students, minus 76 by 12. You check it. Right up. Do the simplification. (76 by 12). Right. That is the answer, students. Right up. any number you take it as A. I took it as 20. So 20 you write here. Subtract 20 from all. 4 minus 20, 21 minus 20, 13 minus 20, 17 minus 20, 5 minus 20, like that. And divided by number of terms, 12. So all added, minus 76 by 12. Plus into minus is minus. 76 by 12 is 6.33. You can divide. 20 minus 6.33 is 13.6. So practice this problem. Next to 10th is completed. Last problem in arithmetic mean. So 11th problem is the last one after this new formula. So up to 11 based on arithmetic mean problems. This is the last problem in mean. After that we are going to solve on median and mode. Copy this. So the question is, do you get the same answer? Yesterday we took A as a different number, we got same answer. I took this 20, same answer we got. So write down in the conclusion, do you get same result? We get same result. You write down in the last. We get same result. We get same result. Hence, irrespective of A, mean is same. Any number, mean will be same. Yesterday we took different number, now I took 20. So answer will be same. That means in the given numbers, any number we can take it as A. So irrespective of A, mean is same. That is our comment. So that is over. This is the deviation method. One more problem on the same formula, deviation method. So with that, mean will be completed. 11th question. It is also a little confusion. Students, sum of deviations of n observations from 25 is 25. Sum of deviations of same n observations from 35 is minus 25. Find the mean of the observation. See here. Mean is calculated using two methods. Like our previous problem, we took one number as assumed mean, we calculated the mean. We took another number as assumed mean, we got the mean. So same answer we got. That means both methods will give same answer. Since both cases mean will be same. See here, whatever A you take, answer mean is same. That means this mean is this a symbol for mean. First time mean, second time mean, both are equal. What is the mean formula from deviation method? Sigma xi minus a by n. This is a plus sigma xi minus a by n. Mean formula from deviation method or assumed mean method. First, two times we got calculated for the same problem, same data, two times we calculated. So using different A values we calculated differently. But answer will be same, no? So you take any a value, or if you change the a value, in both the cases answer will be same. First time what happened? First time, see the question. Sum of the deviations of n observations from 25. First time mean is taken as 25 and deviation, sum of the deviations, this total is already calculated. It is also 25. This total sum of the deviations is 25 by n. Deviations are calculated from 25. And sum of the deviations, sum means sigma. Sigma of all these deviations is 25, directly given. N is not given. Second time the number is chosen as, deviations are taken from 35. Second time deviations are taken from 35. Chosen from 35. And sigma xi minus a is minus 25 by n. First time assumed a is taken as 25, second time a is taken as 35. Sum of all the deviations from 25 already subtracted, added, the total is 25, that is given. So here also, if it is 35, each number minus 35, we write all the numbers, we add all of them, the answer is minus 25. It is already given, everything is given. Students, now we have to find mean of the observation. Find the n value from this. First we have to find n value. How to find n value? See here, 25 by n minus 25 by n this side plus 25 by n. Minus 25 by n this side plus 25 by n. 35 minus 25. Minus 25 by n this side plus 25 by n. 25 by n plus 25 by n. 35 minus 25. So n LCM 25 plus 25, this is 10. 25 plus 25 is 50 is equal to n into 10. So therefore n is equal to 50 by 10, 5. N is equal to 5. See students, same data, mean is calculated two ways. Just previous problem we did no. Today we took 20 as the a value. Yesterday I took another number like that. So now first case a is taken as 25 and from 25 each number is subtracted and all those deviations are added. Directly it is given as 25. Second time a is taken as 35. From each number 35 is subtracted, the deviations are added, that is minus 25 by n. Minus 25 by n this side plus 25 by n. N LCM 25 plus 25 is 50. N that side 10 into n. 10 this side 50 by 10 is 5. N is equal to 5. The question is not n. Find the mean. See here students, don't write. Let us complete it. Mean is equal to, you can take this one or this one, any one you will get answer. So mean is equal to, see here, 25 plus 25 by n. You can take this one or this one. This is nothing but mean only. This is means, this is also mean. Any one you can take. So this is not completely simplified because we don't know n value. First we got n value now. Now if you substitute n value here, we will get the mean. Or if you substitute n value here, we will get the mean. Any one you can take. 25 plus 25 by n. See here students. 25 plus 25 by n is we calculated as 5. 25 by 5 is 5. 5 plus 25 is 30 answer. This is a difficult concept. So lastly, problems are not as directly as using the formula. So some tricky questions are given, some analysis, some reasoning type of questions are given. So this data calculated for a given data, mean is calculated two ways, using 25 as a, using 35 as a. So if 25 is a, from each number we subtract 25, no, like previous problem. So that subtracted and added, direct value is 25 is given. Here also from each number 35 is subtracted, all the numbers as added, direct value is given. N is n, we don't know. So I simplified, I got n value. Question is find mean. This is our mean actually, but We don't know n value. Now we got n value 5. 25 by 5 is 5. 5 plus 25, 30. So mean problems, arithmetic mean problems are over. 11 problems, most of them are difficult problems. Students, you have to practice it. Even for competitive exams, for any other future exams also, these concepts are very, very important. So arithmetic mean is over. I hope all of you may be perfect with the arithmetic mean. We have two formulas. One is deviation method. This is little difficult. Another method is simple method. Add all the numbers by number of numbers. So whenever mean is asked, we use that method only. This we don't use. Suppose in the question, if it is mentioned, we use this form. So right now, mean is over. Now we are going to the next point, central tendency. Student, this is a symbol for mean. Don't confuse what is this. So I gave the symbol also. This is the symbol for mean. This is arithmetic mean symbol. Next topic in this is median. N is equal to 50 by 10. 50 by 10 is 5. I wrote some direct steps. Students, see, what is median? Don't write anything, just for explanation I am writing some numbers here. So don't write anything, just look, see, understand the question, concept. Suppose 5, 15, 10, 9, 8, these are the given numbers. These are the given numbers. Median of these numbers is very simple. First, arrange the numbers in the ascending order or descending order. Smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest. Any way you can arrange. Generally we arrange smallest to greatest, which is called ascending order. See here. Given numbers. For example, these are the numbers. Ascending order. Don't write. Ascending order. Which is the smallest number? 5. Next smallest is 8. Next is 9. Next is 10, 15. Arranging in the smaller to greater, in the order. Smallest is 5. In the next number, smallest is 8. Next number, smallest is 9. Next number, smallest is 10. Greatest is 15. So in this, the middle observation is the median. That's all. No calculation, no simplification. That's just very simple. Middle one is called median. So which is the middle one? 9. This is the median. Just By seeing that, we will get the middle one. We suppose there are 5 terms, 2, 2. This is the middle one. Or we can use this also. Suppose how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So 5 plus 1 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms means 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 2 is third term is the median. What is the third term? First term, second term, third term is the median. First term, second term, third term is the median. If there are even number of terms, suppose there are 6 terms, then you won't get one middle term. You will get 2 middle terms. In that case, we have to take the average of those 2. Suppose this is over, no? This is the median. Suppose there is another number, say 60, some more number. Then arranging in the smallest to greatest, 5, 8, 9, 10, 15, 18. Which is the middle one? We are getting 2 middle terms, not 1. If it is only 1 middle term, that is the answer. If 2 middle terms, we have to take the average of those 2. Average. This is the answer. If there are 2 middle terms, take the average. This is the procedure. Median. If the numbers are given, we have to write in the order, smallest to greatest. Then middle one is called median. Or if you have 2 middle terms, then take the average. So I will give the definition. Write down the heading median. Write down the heading median. If given observations are arranged in the ascending or descending. If the given observations are arranged in the ascending or descending order, we don't use this. We always arrange in the same rule we apply. So we use ascending only. If the given observations are arranged in the ascending or descending order, then its middle observation or average of 2 middle observations. Its middle observation or average of 2 middle observations. Its middle observation or average of 2 middle observations is called its median. Its middle observation or average of 2 middle observations is called median. Right. Let n be the number of observations. Write down. N be the number of observations. N be the number of observations. Case 1. If n is odd, there are odd number of terms, then there will be only one middle term. What is it? N plus 1 by 2, I told. If n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2, write down, term. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 term. is its median. Is its median. If n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2 term is its median. Case 2. If n is even, then n by 2th, right off. If n is even, then its median is average of then we will get two middle terms. One will be n by 2th term, another will be n by 2 plus 1th term. So not n plus 1 by 2, n by 2 plus 1. Don't confuse with these two are different. N by 2 plus 1 terms. So find these two and take its average, that gives the median. Write down this. Students, just see here, 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 18. Suppose these are the numbers. What is its median? Already they are arranged in the ascending order, smallest to greatest, already arranged in ascending order. So which is the middle one? This is the median. 11. Suppose the last number, say last two numbers are increased. Suppose this is 5 is added to both. This is becoming 20, this is becoming 23. If 5 is added, then what is the median of this data? Same. Middle only called median. That means if extreme values are increased or decreased, there is no change in the median. Median will be same. Last values, extreme values means last values. Beginning or ending values are called extreme values. If are increased or decreased, no effect on the median. That the statement also you just write down. Write down. Write down that statement. Median is not affected by. Median is not affected by. Median is not affected by any changes in the extreme values. Median is not affected by any changes in the extreme values. Any changes in the extreme values. Students, write down example 1. Find median of one problem. Find the median of. What we do? Arranging in the ascending order. Arranging the given numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is smallest to greatest. 5, 17, 18, again 18, 21, 25, 30. For smaller to greatest, ascending order, smallest to greatest. Smallest is 5, 17, 18, 21, 20, 18, 21, 25, 30. What is the median? Middle one is median. 3, 3. 18 is the middle one. Middle one is the median. Directly you can tell middle one is 18, median is the median. Or what is n? How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. This is odd. If it is odd means we have to take n plus 1 by 2. So 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1, 8 by 2 is fourth term. Fourth term is the median. Which is the fourth term? 1, 2, 3, fourth term is the median. Like this also. Directly we can tell middle one. Or this rule I explained. I gave this formula. N plus 1 by 2. When n is odd. If it is even, this formula is not valued. Another rule I gave. So this is explanation for only odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 7 is odd number, no? So the rule is n plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2 is fourth term. Fourth term is the median. First term, second term, third term, fourth term is the median. That's all, students. So let us conclude here and